Introduction, History and Evolution of Computer Programming Languages. In this video, we'll explore how programming languages have evolved from their inception with mechanical computers and the need for instructions to operate them. The earliest concepts were manual, involving intricate machine code, which marked a significant leap. IT allowed programmers to write instructions using symbolic names instead of binary code. The rise of high-level languages, Fortran and COBOL, Fortran and COBOL, emerged in the 1950s, introducing more abstract ways to write programs. The 1970s revolution, C and Unix, the creation of C language and Unix operating system in the 1970s. The object-oriented paradigm, Smalltalk and C++, the 1980s brought the object-oriented paradigm with languages like Smalltalk. The rise of scripting languages, C# have become cornerstones of enterprise and application development, emphasize robustness, security, and cross-platform compatibility. The open source movement and language diversity. The open source movement has led to an explosion of programming languages, each designed to solve specific problems. Languages like Ruby, PHP, and Swift offer diverse options for developers. The future of programming languages. The future holds exciting prospects with languages focusing on concurrency, safety, and simplicity. Innovations like Rust and Go are paving the way for safer and more efficient code. Conclusion: the history of programming languages is a testament to human ingenuity and the quest for better, more efficient ways to communicate with machines. Stay tuned for our next video, where we delve deeper into specific languages and their unique contributions.